Hello everyone, welcome to Mohendra Coaching Center's channel. Today we will go through some phrasal verbs that can help you score better in your writing and speaking module. First of all, you must know the meaning of what are phrasal verbs. Verbs which are combined with a preposition or a verb and give a new meaning to a word are called phrasal verbs. If you know the meaning of the phrasal verbs, this will not only help you to score better in your writing and speaking module but also in reading. So without wasting your time, let's begin. First phrasal verb is call off. Call off means to cancel. For example, my boss called off the meeting. It means my boss cancelled the meeting. Another example is the doctors called off the strike. It means the doctors cancel the strike. So whenever you use the word to cancel, you can use the phrasal verb call off to score better. Next phrasal verb is look down upon. Look down upon means to treat someone or something as unimportant or not worthy of respect. In Punjabi, it means ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਮਝਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਦੂਸਰਾ ਇਨਸਾਨ ਜਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਚੀਜ਼ ਸਾਡੇ ਤੋਂ ਘੱਟ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਆ ਜਾਂ ਰਿਸਪੈਕਟ ਦੇ ਲਾਇਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ, then we can use this phrasal verb. For example, it is not good to look down upon others. ਇਹ ਚੰਗੀ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੂਸਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਤੋਂ ਘੱਟ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਸਮਝਦੇ ਹਾਂ. So next example is some rich people look down upon the poor. ਕੁਝ ਅਮੀਰ ਲੋਕ ਗਰੀਬ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਤੋਂ ਘੱਟ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਸਮਝਦੇ ਆ. ਸੋ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਹੋਏ ਕਿ ਕੋਈ ਕਿਸੇ ਤੋਂ ਕੋਈ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਵਧੀਆ ਸਮਝ ਰਿਹਾ ਜਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਘੱਟ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਸਮਝ ਰਿਹਾ, then ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ that person look down upon others means ਉਹ ਦੂਸਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਤੋਂ ਘੱਟ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਸਮਝਦਾ. ਸੋ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਇਹ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਕਿ ਕੋਈ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਘੱਟ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਸਮਝਦਾ, then we can use this phrasal verb. Next phrasal verb is setback. Setback means a difficulty or a problem that stop you progressing. ਸੋ ਕੋਈ difficulty or problem ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਲਾਈਫ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰੈਸ ਹੋਣ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਅੜਚਨ ਬਣ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ, ਰਾਹ ਦਾ ਰੋੜਾ ਬਣ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ, then we can use this phrasal verb. And ਇਹ ਉਦੋਂ ਵੀ use ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਦੋਂ ਕੋਈ ਆਪਣੇ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ loss face ਕਰਦਾ, ਉਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ phrasal verb use ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. So let's use this phrasal verb in a few sentences. For example, failures and setbacks are ingredients for a great success story. Another example is behind every setback is an opportunity. Third example is I suffered a major setback in my business during pandemic. So I suffered a major loss in my business during pandemic. Last example of this phrasal verb is when John's company shut down, his career took a major setback. So when John's company closed, his career took a major setback. His career suffered a lot. So instead of saying he suffered a lot, suffered losses, we can use a phrasal verb setback. Next phrasal verb is get along with. Get along with means to have a friendly relation with. To have a friendly relation with. It means ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਆਪਣੇ ਫਰੈਂਡਲੀ ਰਿਲੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਸੋ ਉਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਕਿ ਮੇਰੇ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਦੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਫਰੈਂਡਲੀ ਰਿਲੇਸ਼ਨ ਨੇ ਜਾਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਦੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਰਹਿਣਾ ਪਸੰਦ ਹੈ, then we can use this phrasal verb. I came across this phrasal verb during speaking module. The question was like that, what kind of people are easy to get along with? It means ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਦੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨਾਲ easy ਹੁੰਦਾ friendly relation ਰੱਖਣਾ ਜਾਂ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਦੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨਾਲ easy ਹੁੰਦਾ time spend ਕਰਨਾ. So answer would be like that. I believe that people who are extrovert, friendly, polite and helpful by nature are easy to get along with as they speak out their hearts and one cannot feel bored in their company. So ਇਦਾਂ ਦੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨਾਲ friendly relation ਰੱਖਣਾ ਜਾਂ ਮਿਲ ਜੁਲ ਕੇ ਰਹਿਣਾ, ਟਾਈਮ ਸਪੈਂਡ ਕਰਨਾ ਬੜਾ ਈਜ਼ੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਜੋ ਐਕਸਟਰੋਵਰਟ ਹੋਣ, ਫਰੈਂਡਲੀ ਹੋਣ, ਪੋਲਾਈਟ ਹੋਣ, ਹੈਲਪਫੁਲ ਬਾਈ ਨੇਚਰ ਹੋਣ. Okay, so next example of this phrasal verb is it is very difficult to get along with an introvert person. Introvert person means ਜੋ ਚੁੱਪਚਾਪ ਬੈਠਾ ਰਹੇ. For example, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਤੇ ਬੈਠੇ ਹੋ ਤੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਇੱਕ ਇੰਟਰੋਵਰਟ ਪਰਸਨ ਆ ਜਾਏ ਔਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਟਾਈਮ ਸਪੈਂਡ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੋਏ, then it is very difficult because ਉਹ ਪਰਸਨ ਬੋਲੂਗਾ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ. So it is very difficult to get along with the introvert person. Next phrasal verb is iron out. Iron out means to solve or settle difficulty or problems. Let's use this phrase in a sentence. It is very difficult to iron out. Sorry, it is very important to iron out conflicts for a healthy relations. So it is very important to iron out conflicts. It is very important to solve conflicts. लड़ाई झगड़े solve करने is really important for healthy relations. So if anybody want to maintain a healthy relation with any person, then it is very important to iron out conflicts or to iron out problems. Iron out means to solve problems. I came across this phrasal verb while doing reading. So next time if you will see this phrasal verb, you will definitely know the meaning if you listen this video properly. Next phrasal verb is Go astray. Go astray means to take a wrong path. ਜਦੋਂ ਕੋਈ ਗਲਤ ਰਸਤੇ ਚਲਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਹੀਏ ਕਿ ਬੱਚਾ ਗਲਤ ਰਸਤੇ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਸੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਵਾਂਗੇ that child is going astray means ਉਹ ਗਲਤ ਰਸਤੇ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ. So let's use this phrase in a sentence. Nowadays parents have become a workaholic and there is no one to supervise children in many families, hence many juveniles are going astray. So काफी बच्चे आजकल गलत रास्ते जा रहे हैं because nowadays there is nuclear family trend and there is no one in a family to supervise as parents have become workaholics. So parents ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਕੰਮ ਤੇ ਬਿਜ਼ੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ. So ਕੋਈ ਘਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੁਪਰਵਾਈਜ਼ ਮੀਨਸ ਕੋਈ ਨਿਗਰਾਨੀ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਲਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ. ਸੋ ਮੈਨੀ ਚਿਲਡਰਨ ਆਰ ਗੋਇੰਗ ਅਸਟਰੇ. ਸੋ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਗਲਤ ਰਸਤੇ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਸੋ ਵੀ ਕੈਨ ਯੂਜ਼ ਦਿਸ ਫਰੇਜ਼ਲ ਵਰਬ going astray. Next phrasal verb is to get rid of. Get rid of means to be free from. In Punjabi, it means chutkara pauna. For example, music helps me to get rid of stress and worries. So music मेरी help करदा to छुटकारा पाउण ਲਈ stress and worries ਤੋਂ. Another example is it is very difficult to get rid of bad habits. ਆਪਣੀਆਂ bad habits ਤੋਂ ਛੁਟਕਾਰਾ ਪਾਉਣਾ is really daunting task. It is very difficult. So ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਛੁਟਕਾਰਾ ਪਾਉਣਾ word use ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਿਤੇ then you can use this phrasal verb get rid of. Next phrasal verb is set up. Set up means to start up or arrange something. For example, my father set up a grocery store in our town. So my father has started a business of grocery store. So instead of saying started, we can use a phrasal verb set up. For example, my father set up a grocery store in our town. Another example is my brother helped me set up a new account for selling online. So it means my brother helped me to open a new account. So instead of saying a open, I can say that my brother helped me set up a new account for selling online. So whenever you use word startup or arrange something, you can use a phrasal verb set up. If you like this video, then please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching and have a good day.